How to delete someone from Monopoly Go. Want to clean up your friends list in Monopoly Go or remove someone causing trouble? Here is a quick step-by-step guide to deleting a friend in Monopoly Go. Launch the Monopoly Go app and tap the friends icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now in the friends screen, switch to the leaderboard tab where you will see all your friends listed. Scroll to the list or use the global local tabs to find even non-friends and tap the name of the person you want to delete, and you will get a 3 button next to how many days you have been connected. A remove button will appear. Tap it, then confirm it, and that friend will be removed from your list. And that's how you remove someone from your Monopoly Go friend list. Simple, quick, and in your control. If this helped, tap like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.